Favorite form of recovery is stretching. After a long workout, after a long day, whether I'm at home or in the gym, I always find time to stretch. I love yoga too. Yoga is more of a meditation thing, but it also gets your body right. So it depends on the day. Um, if I've been absent from the gym, no matter the duration of time, I try to just freestyle, just get my body back into it. But if I've been locked in for like 2 months straight, everything is pretty much scheduled. Shit, I used to be skinny as fuck. I used to smoke. I didn't live the healthy lifestyle, so I see that everybody around me still live the same lifestyle, and that's just my motivation. Seeing where I come from and where I am, I want to keep going. I want to get bigger. I want to gain more knowledge. I want to help more people, and chase ground sweat. My favorite vegan meal to cook is quinoa stir fry. So I take some quinoa, some water, boom, make it. That's quinoa set. Put some onions and peppers to the side with some mushrooms. Boom, that's it. Add a little kale or some spinach if I'm feeling like that. Yeah, it's my favorite. Me being vegan catapulted me to be mentally strong enough to want to do everything else I always wanted to do in my life. So if you want to make that decision, I offer meal prep, chasegroundsweat.com. Slide in my DM if you need me. So I became vegan for the health reasons. It wasn't necessarily for the animals. I just learned about hereditary diseases that run in my family, and I wanted to prevent them. I didn't want to be my parents' age and my grandparents' age, and have the same downfalls they had physically. Take your time. You really gotta know what you want, because you can have it all. It's all about your reason. If your reason good enough, then you're gonna stick with it. But to give it a try for a couple of days, and a couple of weeks, then if you're ready, dive in. So the best place to get vegan food is this black-owned restaurant called the Vegan Club. Go there. They black-owned.